A tool businesses use to make their customer service smoother and more efficient. It's an AI chat system that can talk to customers, answer their questions, and do it all day, every day. One of the big strengths is how well it understands natural language. So when someone types in a question, it can usually figure out what they mean and give a solid response. It feels a lot more conversational than older chatbot systems, which helps customers feel heard. It also reduces the need for large customer support teams, which can save companies a lot of money over time. Another thing people like is that you can tweak how the AI talks. That means whether you're running an online store or a healthcare service, you can adjust it to match your style and tone. You can even set different personalities depending on the type of customer you're targeting. Also, it's super easy to use. You don't have to be a developer to get it up and running. Most of the setup is done through simple dashboards and drag and drop tools, which saves a lot of time. Companies that tested it say the onboarding process is surprisingly smooth, even for beginners. That said, it's not perfect. Sometimes it gets tripped up by really complex or detailed questions. In peak traffic, it may also take a moment longer to respond, which can be a little frustrating for fast-paced environments. And if you're hoping to use it for free, the basic version doesn't offer everything. A lot of the good stuff is behind a paywall. Some users even mentioned that the analytics section could be more detailed, especially for larger businesses. So all in all, if you're running a business and want something to handle customer chats 24/7, Talkpal is a strong option. It can save you money, reduce workload, and keep response times consistent. It's especially helpful for small teams who want to appear more responsive without hiring extra staff. Just be ready for a few hiccups here and there and know that you might need to pay to unlock its full potential. As long as you understand its limitations, it can be a very reliable tool for long-term customer support. Happy staying safe.